You're supposed to continue whisking the egg until it becomes foamy. So you do this. See? Alright. So now this is the flour. Remember I said you add the baking powder to the flour. It's already sieved. Then you turn it, mix it together. You have to ensure everything is properly mixed. So you scrape the sides of the bowl, scrape everything out, then you add your salt to that, mix it properly. When you're done mixing that, you add your flavor. Mix it again. Always ensure to mix everything properly for even distribution. When you're done with this, you add your preservative. Remember we said to extend the shelf life of your cake. So do that. Stir it evenly.